Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel with another tutorial. So today we learn how to create a clean and efficient project structure. So we are starting from our project. This clean structure is a more efficient for another developer if you are working with project and you need to work and again or other developer in big firm or in a big team. So you need to efficient and understandable project structure you need in React applications. So we have started our source folder. So we need to go our app.css. So I am creating here a new folder. Name is component. So here's we need to components. So here's we are defining all our components, and here's also I'm creating a APIs calls. I am using camel typing APIs call. So here we define all the our APIs. Here we define all our components, and I am creating an other folder name as assets. Here's we define and our all assets are like we define images. If we have videos, images, videos, and styles is CSS files. So we have defined all our basic assets here. We're creating a CSS file under the styles. We're creating images under the storing images under the images folder and videos under the videos folder. So our assets folder, here's we're defining our APIs calls. We're defining XGS calls. We're defining our fetch using fetch APIs, and it is which you want. So component, where we define all our components here. So we need another file in routes. So route.js in our main folder. So route.js where we creating our routes. So create our React function component. So function name create routes. So create routes, we need to define this create route in app.js. So I removed our dummy content. So simply we call create routes. So here we define all the routes in separately, each and every routes here using React DOM routes, and if you want to which is purpose. So next video we also in creating a routes on routes video. So our previous video you see in above suggestions is project structure explained. So must watch if you don't have understanding about project structure. So you must watch our above video. So in index we have explaining perfectly. Index.css we don't need had this file, we just simply delete. And we don't need app.css, we simply delete. We also delete from app is creating this here app.css, remove, just simply save routes. Save. So index css we don't need index css file here, also save, because we all CSS and everything is defining under the assets folder here. So main.css, if you want to create a overall main CSS, if you want to create a component wise, let's suppose I am creating new file name as index.css for the index CSS. So if a component wise you can, let's suppose I'm creating a routes component. So create routes. So you need to create styles like create route styles .css. For a component you can import this file into directly in here. Otherwise you need to import all your CSS file for here. You can remove this local.svg because we don't use local svg. So this is the best example for best practice of your folder. You also need a one more file for environment file, env. So environment file, you need to define your all environment variables here. So here's our defining or refine our project structure. So if you like our video, so please thumb ups. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for our latest and upcoming videos. So we need, in next video we will learn about routes. Thank you.